Alright, let's talk about DBForge Edge, the all-in-one database IDE that's making some serious waves in the tech world. If you're a developer who jumps between SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle, you know the pain of juggling a bunch of different tools. DBForge Edge takes that headache away by combining support for all these platforms into one clean, unified workspace. First up, I've got to highlight the interface. It's sharp, intuitive, and actually customizable. Panels dock and undock exactly how I want. Dark mode is on point and the whole thing just feels modern. I'm not hunting through menus or fiddling with clunky toolbars. But let's get to the meat features. DBForge Edge offers code completion syntax highlighting visual query builders and even handy schema comparison tools. The smart code completion adapts to whatever database I'm using, and honestly, it's saved me from embarrassing typos more than once. One thing I really appreciate is the database diagramming. I can visualize complex relationships, drag and drop tables, and quickly understand what's going on in a giant schema. Plus, the data generator and import/export wizards are super straightforward, great if you're setting up test data or migrating between systems. Now, for performance, DBForge Edge is surprisingly efficient. Even when I'm connected to big databases, it handles queries and schema changes without freezing up or lagging. The execution plan viewer is a lifesaver for optimization too. Let's not forget collaboration. I can easily share scripts and settings with teammates, and the built-in version control integration means my changes are always tracked. That's a big win for anyone working in a team environment. So what's the catch? Honestly, the only small gripe I have is the initial setup. It takes a bit of time to connect all your servers and tweak your preferences. But once you're through that, it's smooth sailing. Overall, DBForge Edge delivers on pretty much everything you'd expect from a professional-grade database IDE. Whether you're a back-end developer, DBA, or data engineer, it's a huge productivity booster and just makes your daily grind easier. If you want to streamline your workflow and stop jumping between tools, I definitely recommend giving DBForge Edge a shot. Check video description to get DBForge Edge with 10% discount.